All right, now let's head on to other markets. Now we see the price of Bitcoin that gained bearish momentum, and the market still in fear. Let's get the fear greed index now. We can see it's about 28 points there. 28 points is going deeper, might get to extreme fear. That's how I see it at this point. It's 28 points, and we saw the market cap. Let's see what the market cap is saying this morning there. About $1.01 trillion, talking about the crypto market cap. I saw that yesterday. It dipped below the $1 trillion mark and actually popped back up. But we're back here at $1.01 billion, but it's down by 0.70% this morning. Volume traded $71.40 billion, 22% up. And we see Bitcoin dominance there below 40%. That's not happened in a while. There's 39.96%. Let's see the price of Bitcoin at 8 a.m. this morning, $21,077, down 1.26%. But at this trading hours, about 21,400. Volume traded in Bitcoin, $32.79 billion. Let's see what's happening with Ethereum there, $1,575 there, down 0.65%, even though we have merge coming up. Volume traded 18 point. Now we see quite a move there. Looking at the Ethereum chart there, we see pump back up there to $1,600 at this hour. Talking about Ethereum, it did get as low as 1.5 there, popped up, and now we see Ethereum there trying to make a move there at $1,600. Let's move on now to the top alts by market cap. We see BNB there, $296. Up 0.45%. So it's a mixture we're having on the top alts or market cap there with XCC there, eCash and XRP. The down is 1.70% and 1.47%. We see Cardano at 45 cents, up 0.03%. Let's bring in Gilbert Jopata now, financial market analyst. Hello, Gilbert. Great to have you.
Yeah, good morning.
Yeah, good morning, Gilbert. And talking about crypto exchanges, I saw a headline about FTX exchange. Even though it's leaked document, they actually made revenue of about 1,000% in 1 year. And this is a bear market. How is that possible?
Right. This is such an eye-popping growth from FTX, I must say. But this is not surprising. We have seen this again and again during bull markets where crypto startups take advantage of the craze for insane revenue. We have seen unknown startups become billion-dollar companies within just within few years. But that of FTX is remarkable. It's interesting how they're able to compete with the major giants like Binance and Coinbase to cementing their place as the world's largest exchange by trading volume. So that document actually revealed more of 1,000% growth from about 89 million to about a billion. But you know, it's not surprising. They actually have spent about 15% of their revenue in advertisements, which they have enough celebrity endorsement, naming right on NBA, also sponsoring the Super Bowl, to also extending their boundaries to acquiring Ledger, Robinhood, to also acquiring a whole lot of crypto companies that are going through bankruptcy. And so far in 2022, the first quarter, that document actually revealed that the first quarter of this year have already seen them make a revenue of over 270 million US dollar. Though the second quarter of this year, it did not disclose the figure, but they are also set to be at over $1 billion in revenue this year. If you look at more of the model FTX is using, they are going mainstream into advertisement, and they are more focused on derivative and futures market, which is where most sophisticated players go to trade the market. So they have cemented themselves when it comes to derivative and futures market. So much of their volume and revenue comes from that place, and very little comes from spot trading.
Quite interesting. And this is a time we're seeing Coinbase, actually struggle. And we see the stock, the price of the coin stock also struggling too. But what are you seeing for Bitcoin price action this week?
we just have to pay a very close attention to two things. One, the technicals, and then monetary policy. You know, Bitcoin may have completed its falling wedge, but the thing is that I think there is vulnerability at the bottom because traders may try to test the boundaries of that falling wedge. And if that happens, it may just be the beginning of our next leg down, especially if we see that the dollar is gaining strength at this point. And meanwhile, we should also pay attention to the Fed's chairman speech that will be taking place in Jackson Hole on Friday, because there are a whole lot of debates from analysts and traders if we will maintain more of a 75 basis point hike or if we will see a 50 basis point hike. So I think the chairman is going to clear that debate at that point. But meanwhile, as long as we if you look at the minutes that was published by the Fed last week, you will see that the Feds are more than ready to keep increasing rates if as long as core inflation still exists.
All right, Gilbert, we keep watching those rates to see how it impacts all these markets. Thank you so much, Gilbert Reporter, financial market analyst.
All right, thank you, Mr. Ladi.
All right, let's flip quickly now. Top 5 gainers. EOS there, topping the counter, up 18.41%. Chile's token up 15%. Lido Dow up 6. Then Curve Dow and Seaworld's topping the losers counter now. Quickly, we see who's topping there. Celsius, yeah, they have that issue, liquidity issue there. It's down 22.90%. It's the biggest down that we're getting on top 100 tokens at this point. All right, that's it for the markets. And thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to watch this again on our YouTube channel. You can also watch other videos. Just go to YouTube and search for Channels Television. And remember, join us at 1:30 for Business Incorporated for more updates in the world of business. Thank you for watching. I'm Ladi Williams. Bye-bye.